and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Kat. I am a wife, a mom of 3, and hairstylist from Ontario, Canada. I haven't come on here and shown my face like this in quite some time, so I thought for something different today, I would do my intro like this. So today's video is going to be a pantry clean because let me tell you, we went grocery shopping the beginning of COVID, and a couple times throughout, of course, and then we have just been buying the essentials, but this week we kind of went overboard and it's on my kitchen table because it doesn't even fit in my pantry yet. So today's task is to get all the stuff on the table to fit in the pantry. So I'm gonna go inside and show you guys what I have going on, but first, if you guys haven't done so already, I would love for you to give this video a thumbs up and also hit that subscribe button. I would love for you to join my family. I recently hit a huge milestone on YouTube, and it is all because of you guys. So thank you so much, and let's go take a look inside at what I got going on. All right, guys, so here is my overflow. As you can see, I have some juice boxes here, the bread, the chips. This is stuff that all needs to go relatively near the top because I don't want them to get squished. We have some snackies in here as well as all of this stuff. And let me go show you the pantry because this is going to be a task. Are you guys ready for this? It is crazy. Like, look at in here. There is just stuff jam-packed. I am so thankful that the kids love to help me, but they just throw stuff wherever it will fit. And there's stuff everywhere in here. So we got to get all that stuff on the table to fit in here. Here is like a full pack of bread, but is it expired? July 4th. It's still good. So I imagine there's some stuff in here that's expired. So we're going to get rid of the old and bring in the new. So let's get this pantry clean.
You're the night sky trying to make me see your stars, but the dark can't turn on me. Now I see violet, I can feel silence, and the dark's all that I see. When your stars have burnt out and your heart makes no sound, I'll find violet in your eyes. You'll always be my night sky. You'll always be my night sky. I'll find valid in your eyes. You'll always be my night sky. You'll always be my night sky.
All right, guys, so this is the finished look of the pantry. As you can see, there's a lot going on, and I definitely got everything to fit. So over here, we have our garbage bags, as well as our compost bags, toilet paper, paper towel. Down here, we have cat food, dog treats, some extra Ziploc bags, as well as a new box of garbage bags for when we need to replenish these ones. And let me know in the comments below if you guys have tried this. I picked this up at the dollar store. I have yet to try it. Like, it's dusty. I should have wiped it off, but like, woo, dusty. Anyways, let me know in the comments below if you've tried this. I think I really need to take it out and try it for the kids, especially because it's summertime and they all love French fries. But over here I have my alcohol, 99.9% alcohol, as well as my vinegar, my bleach, my crossing sign. I picked this up at the dollar store. Isn't it cool? Slow children playing. Our street is so busy, so I'm gonna be using that. Down here, I have all of my cereal as well as our rice. So you saw that I emptied another box of rice into this. I have no idea why I had 2 boxes of rice, but now I only have 1. The bread is here, the potatoes. Here I put the rest of the bread that was on the table, as well as the chips I tucked away in the corner here. So here we have like our fajita kit, a bunch of crackers, some snackies for the kids, juice box, and then up here, I'm not sure if you guys noticed that I put this in. This is just a ceramic tile that I had in the garage, and it's simply just working as a shelf extension, because usually I would put something there and it would fall right through. So I'm able to go right to the side and then right back. Sorry, you can hear a Lear there in the background. But now I gotta get all the stuff that I took out of here cleaned and tidied. With this being the final task on the pantry cleanup, I'm going to break down these boxes and take the compost out. This video was filmed on a Sunday evening, and I still had to get the girls bath and in bed. Let me know in the comments below how your kids are sleeping now that it's summer and it's nice out all the time. My girls go to bed bouncing off the walls, but let me tell you, minutes later, they are fast asleep. My backyard is the playground of all playgrounds, so the kids go real hard all day long playing, jumping on the trampoline, and swimming. I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you guys next time.